Hi, and welcome back to Mousy Thing.
I tried the Marie Kondo method in organizing my wardrobe and found that only certain ways worked for me. So I found a more efficient alternative, tried it for the past 2 years, and it sure saved a lot of my time. I'm gonna share with you guys today, and I hope that you can benefit from it too. I still use the KonMari method to fold and organize my clothes, but in terms of the spark joy method, it just didn't work for me. The KonMari method is to remove all of your clothes and to place them in a section. Then after, hold them piece by piece and to ask yourself if this still sparks joy. I spent a lot of time asking myself, like, does this still spark joy? How about this? It was time consuming and quite emotional taxing. I found a hack to this which took less time, and it definitely met the objective of clearing clothes that I didn't wear.
Efficient. Let's get to it.
All my hangers are in blue, except for this hanger which serves as an indicator. I begin the year by placing the maroon hanger before all of my clothes. As the days go by, each top that I wear and after wash, I will then place it before the maroon hanger. Eventually, this action will then cause the maroon hanger move towards the back. When it was time for me to clear my wardrobe, the indicator would then show me that I didn't wear these clothes in the past 1 year, while this group are the clothes I wore at least once last year. As such, this indicator makes it easier for me to clear out my wardrobe. Since it is a brand new year and we will start again, this indicator will then be placed in front. I used the same concept to manage my clothes in the drawer, a handkerchief as an indicator. So this is the group of clothes that I didn't touch for the past year. So I started my year by placing the hanky just before all the clothes here. And the same concept applies where after each wear and wash, I will then place the bottom before the handkerchief. And eventually the hanky will then move towards the back. You can choose whichever sequence that you want it to be. For me, I like the zigzag way. So I placed the bottoms like before the handkerchief. It then moved eventually to the back, and then it came front, and then it went back again. So just now it was here. So this is the group of clothes that I will then clear out. And since this is the new year, so I will begin the process again by placing the hanky here. Looking at the clothes that I didn't wear for the past year, we take this piece for example. Does this piece still spark joy? For me, I do remember the day when I bought it and it is still new. But the fact that I didn't wear it for the past year, not even once, it would mean that I might have forgotten about it or don't need it at all. So it's best to part ways. I have been using this indicative method since I discovered it. It worked really well for me and I hope it works for you too. When was the last time you cleared your wardrobe? Leave a comment below.
That's it. Hey, thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Mousy Thing signing off.